This is Brett from Montavilla Sewing Centers talking about our new grand opening at the Mill and Fabric stores. We have over 40,000 square feet of sewing machine and sewing stuff. This is great. This is everything you could want as a sewer. So you're gonna take a tour with me through the store so you can see everything we have. But first of all, I want to invite you to our grand opening sale. That's the September 27th through the 31st. And don't forget to come in for our party on the 31st from 12 to 3. So I've got Nancy here, the owner of Mill and Fabrics. Good to have you here. We've known each other a long time. We go way back. And then Jennifer. Jennifer is the manager here at Mill and Fabrics. And I asked them to come to this video so they could show us around the store. Like I said previously, 40,000 square feet of sewing stuff here. And this is probably one of the largest in the nation. I don't know for sure, but this has got a lot. We got a lot here. So let's go take a tour of the store. Follow me. Tell me about this section here.
This is the bridal department and also theater. And this is where we have all of our theatrical fabrics that are towards the back. And then we also have, the bridal fabrics in the front. And as we move down, you'll see that we've got all the white fabrics, if that's your choice for bridal. And right now we have a promotion going on with our satins and charmeuse at 15% off.
That sounds great.
And I love this department because it has so many things to look at. A wonderful selection of ribbons and sequin fabrics, and just an amazing part of all the accoutrements that you need to make your garment.
Yeah, I haven't seen a place that has this much bridal fabric in a long time, right? This is pretty good selection here we have.
This is draping, and we have some of our associates are experts at this. They take one piece of fabric and then they drape it to look like this incredible dress with pleating and corseting and all kinds of stuff. So you'll see this throughout the store as we keep going.
These are some more examples of some of the drapings that our employees have done, and it shows you how creative our customers are, as well as our mannequins. Now we're approaching our fashion department.
Okay, fashion. Tell me about your fashion department here.
Our fashion department is where we keep more fashion printed fabrics in the polyesters and the silks and the rayons and the wools and the organic fabrics. And a lot of times we also refer to our fashion department as our gourmet department because of the higher quality of the fabrics, and a lot of wools, which you'll see going down the center aisle here. But wool is the history of our business.
Right.
It was a worsted woolen mill, and so that's why we're passionate about wool. And we buy wool 12 months out of the year, and we don't care what it is outside. It's what the nice goods that we can find for the customers.
So tell me about this section here.
This section here is our home decor. Right in this area is where we keep mostly our upholstery, but we also have a lot of drapery fabrics, which can be used for upholstery. And we have sample books and sample fabrics of different types of materials that we can get for the customer that doesn't require a full roll. A roll is anywhere from 25 to 50 yards, and a lot of customers don't need that much fabric, so there are other suppliers that will sell us as small as 2 yards.
Oh, wow.
And we also carry the outdoor fabrics. Sunbrella is a very well-known name.
Right.
And it's also mildew resistant and sun resistant. And so we have some Sunbrella fabrics as well as other outerwear fabrics.
So tell me about this. This looks like very, very historical for you.
Yes, it is. This is one of the Pendleton blankets this year. And we do sell the Pendleton blankets here in the store. We're very pleased to be able to do that. And our heritage is the same from the standpoint that this company was started by my grandfather, who was one of the brothers that helped start the Pendleton Woolen Mills in Pendleton, Oregon back in 1910.
Wow. What a heritage that you guys have here.
On this side of the store is where we keep a lot of our cottons,
Okay.
and we have cottons in knits as well as wovens. We have canvas, we have corduroy, we have a lot of denims, and we also carry a lot of theme fabrics. We have panels up above you for people who like to quilt but aren't too, they're beginning sewing. They love to take one of these panels and just outline it, stitch it, and back it.
Yeah, that's great. You guys have a great selection of quilting. And you guys also have notions, accessories. Anything else you want to show me before we go?
Well, I just think maybe we could just show them a little bit of our notion wall and our button selection if they're interested in buttons. The button rack is over in here.
Oh, wow.
We have several. We also have a lot of the things that people never see, which are your interfacings and your underlinements and things like that people, it helps make the project
Yes.
not only go faster, as you well know, but it also keeps it even. And
Yeah. You know, it's so funny. Those are the type of things that, you know, we love the creative side, but then there's the practical side of finishing it up and making it look right. You know, and that's what this stuff does.
Yeah.
Right?
And that's one of the reasons why we're so thrilled you're here.
Yeah.
Because people love to sew, but they don't know the availability of different fabrics that you can use. You can use an apparel fabric for a quilt, but they don't understand some of it, or they want to graduate into a better machine, and you're here to show them the next step. And so that's why I think this is going to be great fun for our customers and wonderful for our employees too.
Yeah. So we talked about the grand opening. We have a party from 12 to 3 o'clock on the 31st. And if you filled out that passport to prizes passport that we have at any of our stores and gone to all the other stores, you get a chance to win some of our fun prizes. And we've got lots of prizes we're giving away. But there's something else you also get that day. You get special sale prices on fabric. Tell us what they get.
Well, Jennifer knows most of the ones that are on sale, but we do have a special sale going on in our home decor department, and we let the customer decide what they want. We tell them it's going to be in this department, and it's going to be, in this particular case, it's going to be upholstery, and you can get 15% off your purchase during this event.
During the sale. Yeah.
And then also, if you fill out your passport to prizes card,
And presented at the checkout, we'll have a special discount for you.
you get another special discount on fabrics. So you're going to want to come in for that, and we look forward to seeing you on the 31st.